Someone killed the US president. Things like this you will never hear in your lifetime. Because the US president's car has these 5 features. First, the president travels in this $1.5 million car, which is also called the Beast. If someone fires a rocket at the car from a rocket launcher, nothing would happen to the car, as the doors are covered with an 8-inch thick bomb-proof covering. Secondly, if the enemy starts firing from an AK-47 and someone fires sniper rounds, the bullets would not enter the car as it is. Bulletproof. Thirdly, if the enemy decides to attack from both sides, front and back, the car moving around the president's car will eliminate the threat in seconds. And if someone decides to launch an aerial attack, the president's helicopter will be alerted and an aerial battle will start. And if a missile is launched towards the car moving with the president's car has SCS technology, which will locate the missile location and protect the car from impact.